Today I'm going to show you how to make some really cute earrings really fast using these cute little fabric charms I found on Amazon. I had this empty container, which I found easier to use for these, so I'm dumping them in there. And then I'm going to find a similar charm, and we're going to make a pair. And I'm just going to keep on looking through these and finding some pairs to make pairs of earrings out of. I love all the different colors, and I made a similar video to this before this video, but this is a different type of charm, and I think they also turned out so cute. So if you're needing to make a lot of earrings fast for like an upcoming show, this is a great way to do it. I love this baby blue color. So just take your hook, string it through, and close it up, and you've already got your earring made. That's how easy it is. I'll link everything I used in this video in my description so that you can find it if you want to make them. Look how fast I just made that pair of earrings. I get these hooks in a pack on Amazon as well. Look how pretty. And I'll show you some different ways you can make these as well. So I found these 2 packs on Amazon. This is the part that actually goes in your ear, and it has a little jump ring that's attached to it. And this is like a little line, and the other one is a little ball. And they each give a different look to the earring, which I love because you can have some versatility in your collection if you want. So the little ball, it's really easy because it just needs 1 jump ring. And then use 2 pliers to close it up. It makes it so much easier. Make sure it's nice and even. And then your earring is done. It's that easy. I love how those turned out too. They're so pretty. And then that's the finished pair with the ball for the part that goes in your ear. And that's the one that has the hook to compare them. And then I'm going to show you how to attach this. It's a little bit different. If you notice, the little jump ring that's attached to it is going a different direction. So I'll show you how to fix that. First, put your jump ring on. And I like to use a smaller jump ring. And see how if I put that on there, it would actually turn it sideways. So what you need to do is first close this jump ring. I need to get a new set of pliers. The ones on my left are sticking, so I need to get a new one for that hand. And then put another jump ring and then lace it through that one we already put on there. I lost it. And there. Then you can add it. And this way it will lay frontwards and it's not going to be turning to the side, and it'll just lay on your ear better. I also like the look of these. It just gives a different style that you can add to your collection. Very cute. So this is what the finished pair looks like. I think it suits that color pattern really well. You can put any type of hooks that you want on these earrings. That's the beauty of it. I think they all turned out so pretty. So to put them on the display cards, it's easy for the ones, these are kind of self-explanatory, the ball and the little line. So you just put your backs on there. I like to use the rubber backs because the metal backs, they irritate my ears. So this is a great way to put something on there that won't irritate the back of your ears. Oh, they're so pretty. I love them so much. And then this is the one that has the line. I don't know what to call it, the bar, the line. But anyway, this is that one. You could do the same process. And I did a couple of the patterns each just to show you what they look like with the different backs on them. And I got these done so quickly. It's really a great way to add more earrings fast to your collection. And the pack I got from Amazon had a lot of these fabric charms in it. Look how pretty they are. I love them so much. And this is a comparison side by side of the two different ones. Now for these, you're going to need to either have a smaller display card, like a shorter one like this, or you can just cut your big display card down to make it work. And that is because you need to close that clasp in the back. Those are so pretty. So you just need a slightly different display card for those. I love all the colors and patterns that came in this pack, and I'll link it in the description if you want to get some. They're all so nice. I love those baby blue ones. I might keep those. Okay, so this is the finished product, and they all just go so well together, and I can't wait to see what they look like on my display. If you like this, please like and subscribe. I have a ton more videos on my channel. Have a blessed day.